This is another.
It's a continuation.
Yes, of this cake.
Of the other first video. We are making an orange cake. So I'm going to put 1.5. This is half, eh?
Yes.
1.5 cups of sugar for 6 cups of flour. Okay. So now we're gonna put
Pause. So I think we are going to put butter, blue butter. So this cake is for Christmas or Happy New Year.
This is for New Year. Going to celebrate New Year
2024.
And also celebrating 2023 has been good to us.
Yes. I hope everybody has a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. The Christmas was good. I hope that.
Whose phone is ringing here?
This is butter. So we add some more.
Okay, I think that's enough.
So we are pouring milk to
You need to give it some time. Like 3 hours.
So we are going to mix the sugar. We have milk there. After mixing this, will you put some eggs?
Yes, but first pause.
You can remove that.
So we are going to mix with this. Next, we are going to put some eggs, like
4 eggs.
Yes, we are going to put 4 eggs. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4.
The oven full.
So we are going to pour them inside. are going to get some zest from the oranges we have. Yes, we have these oranges. So we are getting out some zest.
It's difficult. It's very hard. They are not like the lemons. It's so easy to get from lemons.
But it's very good.
So have you ever made an orange cake?
Yeah, I have. It's not my first time, though not so much. I like lemon cake more. But since today we didn't have lemons, I decided to do orange cake.
Chocolate is my favorite.
Yeah,
cake.
it's the favorite of this family. Me and Ethan like lemon cake and strawberry cake.
I also like strawberry cake.
Okay, it doesn't seem like we'll get much from these oranges, so let's move on to making juice out of them.
So we cut these oranges. So we are going. This is like my mom's recipe.
Yeah, it's my own recipe.
But we don't know how it's gonna taste.
It's going to be yummy. You just wait. Make sure you get all the juice out.
And also, can I ask you, have you ever made a strawberry cake?
Not really, but I didn't make the real strawberry cake. I did have strawberries, but I used the essence. But I've ever bought one. So it's very nice.
So like we got two oranges. Yes, we got 2 oranges. So this is how else we make juice, like squeezing the juice out.
Yeah, it's hard.
It's very hard for me.
Especially for these ones which are not completely ripe. The oranges are hard, but if they were softer, it would be easy. It's easier to remove juice out of lemons than for oranges. Yeah, let's see how much juice we've got.
Wow.
That's some nice juice.
That's a lot of juice.
So we're just gonna pour all of it there. Yum. Try to get the zest, the retro zest. Not really. It's not good.
But if you can get this,
Yeah. It's nice.
yeah. So now we are going to mix it.